We also want to request you to hold accountable the commanders of the security agencies that use lethal and unnecessary force and sometimes illegal ammunition against innocent citizens. We ask you, development partners, the international community, to walk the talk, to stop supporting Museveni, whose major preoccupation is violating international law. You, friends, have either knowingly or unknowingly sponsored our operation, and we ask you to stop. We want to encourage you to review the support that you give to dictator Museveni, thinking that you're giving it to Uganda. Because the regime is using all that they get from you, the development partners, to oppress people with impunity. So we ask you to review your relationship with Museveni and do it as quick as possible, because Ugandans, on our part, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to sue these criminals in their individual capacity. We also want to tell them that we're not going to give up. We are going to very soon resume our legal and constitutional activities all over the country.